we screwed all 3 bolts back on there. I'm not even sure my stuff was playing.
Before we take this off, before we put this on, we're going to get that belt back.
Wrench is still holding there. Let's do the clamp too. Let's get that out the way before I forget it.
Yes.
So this is the bottom clamp right here.
Where's another piece of it?
It's right there.
Watch her because she's crying.
It's dark for some reason. So he's putting that clamp back together, and he'll get a zip tie later.
Get another zip tie and zip tie back.
Your hands is all in the way.
All right, we'll get a zip tie.
Okay, so he's gonna zip tie it back to where it is right there. Now so this is the 3 bolts. It's on, and then now he's about to put the belt back on because it's getting dark. So we gotta put it back on there. All right. So now we're hooking the AC hoses back up. You gotta move that plastic piece.
Put the light right here. I want to make sure I haven't dropped on O-rings.
You gotta move that plastic piece.
No.
Well, it didn't look like you were about to do it. So we're gonna make this quick. Since the last video that you guys saw us putting on our compressor, we have been to 5 different repair shops. We're currently at the final shop that was able to fix it, which is the Freightliner dealership, which we were trying to avoid. But the problem was when I replaced this air dryer, there was some kind of valve or washer that got clogged into one of these lines. So we took it to 4 different places, and for some reason they were having trouble pumping the Freon back into it, and they couldn't figure out what it was. So we just said forget it.
They had trouble charging this AC compressor, and they couldn't charge it because the little rubber piece that was on the end of this got stuck in the line, so they couldn't charge the AC. So when it got stuck in the line, they had to replace. The dealership had to replace this dryer, and they had to replace this line here. Not only that, we did buy a condenser for it because we thought the condenser, I told them not to put it on. They ended up putting it on anyway, charging us for labor. So, in other words, it's pretty much a new system. Like I say, it's pretty much a new system because we replaced that. Then we got all these lines replaced. We got new coolers, so everything is working fine now.
We got the expansion valve, all new hoses, AC compressor. The only thing they didn't replace, which I think they did, they gave us a new belt too.
That ain't a new belt, is it?
It looked like a new belt compared to the one we had. But anyways, just to show you guys, never, if you're gonna do something, if you're gonna do something for the first time and replace something under your engine, never do it in the dark, because as you guys can see in that other video, we were kind of rushing, trying to beat the dark, and that's how that washer got stuck into that line. And now, how much money did we spend on just doing that, going through replacing in the dark?
With the parts and everything, we spent $1,200 in parts, and about...
So you guys, our AC system is fixed. In total, after doing the math, we spent almost $2,000. We spent $1,980 between parts and labor. Now, I can tell you guys, I know how to replace an AC system. My only thing that we would suggest is don't ever, it's common sense, don't ever try to do something for the first time in the dark. But we're pretty confident that we could replace an AC system. Now what you guys see is Jason is over there hooking to our trailer, because the other day when he was going to get the truck to get the AC work done, he noticed that 2 of our lights on our trailer is out. So we're probably just gonna get that centerpiece that the lines hook up to, the electrical lines hook up to. We're about to take it over to the Loves and get that fixed, and hopefully they can get us in. We didn't call over there, but hopefully they can get us in time and replace this so that we can leave out today and make some money. Because it's like, one thing, we were doing pretty good. We ran some team lanes last week, and it seems like when you're making money, that's when the truck, you know, everything wants to break down or whatever. But we're still good, because when you run teams, you can pretty much today is Thursday, so we can still save our week and make some decent money, but we got to get rolling today. So this is Jason. He just hooked up, and he's about to take it over to the Loves and see about if we can get these trailer lights repaired. We don't mess with electricity or electrical work, so we didn't even try to do that, but I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, I'm back, you guys, for the last time. So we ended up getting our trailer lights fixed. It costed us about $300. So in all total, we spent about $2,300 to get everything replaced. But we just got back, we rested for a little bit, and now we have a load of chicken that is coming out of Pocahontas, Arkansas, and it's going to be delivering straight through to Gainesville, Georgia. We got that load for $17.50, so that's a pretty good rate. It's about 500, a little bit over 500 miles loaded, so that's a pretty good rate. We're getting ready to run that load straight through and see what we can get for our weekend coming out of Georgia. I heard the rates are pretty decent. Well, I saw the rates look pretty decent coming out of there. But that was our experience this week trying to fix our AC compressor. It's hot as ever today, and yes, you guys noticed I'm back in the truck. I've been doing a few team lanes with Jason. We have a lot of goals that we have to reach this year, so when I'm not as busy, I have my sister working. She's helping me with the paperwork and running the office. So when I'm not as busy, I'm in a truck and we're doing little quick team lanes, team runs over the weekend. So other than that, we out here working, we out here grinding. The reefer rates is looking pretty good. The drive-in rates are, they're slowly picking up. They've been a roller coaster on the spot market. We've been hoping for them to rise up, but one of the things about us is we will move and we will switch units. Whatever is making money out here in this trucking industry, we will drop that trailer and hook to another. I don't think that the reefer market is going to have a downfall in no time soon, but if it does, if flatbeds win in, we're gonna switch to that. We're gonna do what works for us until, like everybody say, until we get replaced by these driverless vehicles. But until then, we're gonna make the money and not let it make us. But that was it, you guys. I just wanted to check in and say thank you to all of our subscribers. We don't get a chance to post that often, but I'm back and I know how to shift a 13 speed. I've been shifting this truck like butter. So hopefully I can get more videos out. If you guys have any suggestions, hopefully I can get them out to you guys, because I have been in the truck doing these team lanes. But this video is about that AC compressor system. We finalized it and said next time we're gonna fix everything in the daylight. So stay tuned, you guys, for more videos. And that's all, folks. Peace, love, and deuces.